My name is Karol Bomsztyk. I'm a physician technology developer and a researcher, a co-founder of Matchstick Technologies with Tom Matola, and co-inventor of the PIXUL instrument manufactured by Matchstick Technologies. I'm also professor at the University of Washington School of Medicine and attending physician at the University of Washington Medical Center, Harborview Medical Center, and Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center. Virtually every disease has an epigenetic component. Diabetes, kidney disease, heart disease. So epigenetic opens up enormous opportunities for treatment of disease. But before you do that, you need to know what are the targets. And in order to identify the targets, you have to have technologies to identify the alterations. And that is how, as a physician, I became very interested in developing technologies to identify epigenetic targets which formerly could be reversible using pharmacological agents. We began to use sonication for epigenetic analysis. In order to mark where factors bind, you need to sonicate or fragment chromatin. And sonication, what it is ultrasound waves create bubbles in fluids. As the bubbles expand, they collapse, and that's how they break up substances, including chromatin. So that is where we began to use sonication. Prior to PIXUL, we have used different commercially available instruments to prepare chromatin, and that uses test tubes. When I had valuable samples, I used to come on the weekend to prepare those with different sonicators. But because they require test tubes and my handwriting is so poor that I quickly realized that this is no way to make a living or spend a weekend. So they had the idea of developing 96-well format sonicator, and that's how PIXUL was developed. Having developed these technologies, we set out to use PIXUL and matrix technology for multi-omics applications. Moreover, because it uses 96-well plates, one could use cells grown in 96-well plates and placing it directly into PIXUL for preparing the samples without sample transfer. We have used PIXUL to prepare samples for multi-omic analysis and published that work in bioarchives. That included epigenetics, transcriptomics, epitranscriptomics, and proteomics. And we used frozen and FFPE tissues to demonstrate its power. Sometimes I am asked by end users, why should I switch to PIXUL? And there are many reasons. One, you do treatment in plates. It's very easy to store plates. You don't have to handwrite and label all the test tubes. You can use the same plate for multiple applications. And the setup time is very easy. There's no degassing necessary. And for example, for some application like extracting of RNA or DNA, it just takes a few minutes. There's no other instrument that can deliver that. PIXUL is an amazing instrument, and you really begin to appreciate that once you start using it, and you will never want to go back.